Christmas decorating is more than a tradition, it's a feeling. The glow of the tree, the sparkle of ornaments, the scent of gingerbread, and the magic of turning your home into a cozy winter wonderland. Whether you love elegant whites, colorful classics, handmade DIYs, or whimsical gingerbread themes, today's ideas will help you transform every corner of your home into a festive haven. So get ready, because this year, your Christmas style is about to shine brighter than ever. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for cozy seasonal inspiration, simple DIYs, and beautiful decorating ideas. Today, we're exploring Christmas decorating ideas, from Christmas tree styling to outdoor decor, festive tablescapes, DIY ornaments, and charming gingerbread touches. Let's bring your holiday vision to life. What are the best Christmas decorating ideas to start with? Begin with a theme: classic red and green, elegant neutrals, gingerbread, snowy white, or rustic farmhouse. Choosing a theme makes decorating easier and gives your entire home a cohesive, magical look. Start with the tree and let the style flow room to room. What are creative Christmas tree decorating ideas? Try ribbon layering, ornament clusters, themed decorations, or a color story like white Christmas tree decorations. Mixing different textures, matte, glitter, wood, and metallic pieces makes your tree feel full and visually stunning. If you love Christmas tree inspiration, like this video to help others find it too. What are simple DIY Christmas decorations ideas for the home? Use pine cones, mason jars, dried oranges, handmade garlands, or painted ornaments. DIY Christmas decorations add warmth and personality, and they're budget-friendly. Kids love helping too. What are Christmas decorations for outdoors that make a big impact? Try pathway lights, outdoor wreaths, porch lanterns, and oversized ornaments. Outdoor Christmas decorations help set a festive tone before guests even step inside. What are Christmas Day decoration ideas for a perfect celebration atmosphere? Set up a cozy space with fairy lights, festive pillows, soft blankets, and a warm candle scent. Add small touches like gingerbread houses, mini trees, or holiday centerpieces for a joyful Christmas Day feel. Comment your Christmas Day tradition, we'd love to hear it. How can I decorate my table for Christmas dinner? Use layered linens, elegant plate settings, greenery runners, and candles. Christmas table decorations can be simple or dramatic. Either way, they set the scene for a warm gathering. Seasonal fruits like cranberries or pears make beautiful holiday accents. What are some beautiful Christmas centerpiece ideas? Try a large candle arrangement, a tray filled with ornaments, or a chic winter floral arrangement. Christmas centerpieces anchor your table and bring color and texture to your holiday setting. What are some fun gingerbread house decoration ideas? Use candy canes, icing drips, powdered sugar snow, gumdrops, and cookie characters. Gingerbread houses are not just decor, they're interactive, sweet, and make your kitchen smell amazing. What are cute and simple Christmas door decoration ideas? Use wreaths, mailbox garlands, seasonal door signs, or frosted bells. Christmas door decorations are one of the easiest ways to welcome festive cheer into your home. What DIY Christmas ornaments can I make at home? Try salt dough ornaments, painted wooden discs, photo ornaments, or glittered clear baubles. DIY Christmas ornaments are personal, meaningful, and make your tree feel extra special. Love crafting? Check the DIY playlist in the description for more ideas. What are white Christmas tree decoration ideas for a snowy theme? Use silver ornaments, frosted branches, faux snow spray, and white ribbon. White Christmas tree decorations create a peaceful, wintry look that feels elegant and dreamy. How can I decorate my bathroom for Christmas? Add seasonal hand towels, holiday soaps, small greenery accents, and winter candles. Christmas bathroom decor turns a simple space into a cozy, festive moment. If you decorate your bathroom for Christmas, comment bathroom decor below. What are easy DIY holiday decorations ideas for a quick update? Create paper snowflakes, candle jars, ornament bowls, or simple garlands. These DIY holiday decorations are quick, affordable, and perfect for adding festive touches throughout the home. What are Christmas mantel decor ideas for a cozy fireplace? Layer garlands, stockings, wooden trees, candles, and winter lights. Mantels become magical with height, texture, and warm lighting, the perfect Christmas focal point. What are Christmas crafts ideas I can make with family? Try ornament painting, Christmas cards, gingerbread decorating, or DIY stockings. Christmas crafts bring family together and add handmade charm to your holiday decor. Christmas decorating is all about warmth, creativity, and making meaningful memories. Whether you're styling your tree, crafting DIY ornaments, setting a festive table, decorating outdoors, or building gingerbread houses, each detail adds magic to your home. Let these ideas inspire you to create a cozy, beautiful, and unforgettable holiday season. Love these Christmas decorating ideas? Like and share to spread holiday joy. What's your Christmas theme this year? Gingerbread, classic, white, or DIY? Explore our full Christmas decorating playlist in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas inspiration and festive decor ideas. Check out related content on trees, mantels, DIY ornaments, and outdoor decor.